Okay, good morning, class. Listen, you guys are making a noise on the side. Please sit down. Okay, so at this point, you guys had we are busy with data handling, and we got up until the box and whisker diagram. Not so. Box and whisker diagram. It's also known as the box diagram. So yesterday we did the introduction and things like that. We spoke about the 5-number summary as well. Not so. The 5-number summary consisting of 5 values, which is the lowest value, quartile 1, quartile 2, which is the median, quartile 3, and the highest value. That makes up your 5-number summary. Alright. So let's look at the example, and this is the example on page 113. Is that correct? Okay, it's 315. So here we are told that there are 32 learners attending a holiday camp. Okay? The box and whisker diagram shows the spread of ages. Find the range and the interquartile range. People say, what is the range? Note, the box and whisker diagram must be drawn to scale. That means to say when we draw a box and whisker diagram, and you will see in our next example, I think we would need to draw a box and whisker diagram. We actually, the first thing is we draw a scale. Okay, we're going to draw a scale first, and then we plot our box and whisker diagram on it. Okay. This is what this note is saying. Alright, but anyway, we are told that the question says find the range. So how do you calculate the range? The highest value minus the lowest value. So what's the highest value? 12 minus the lowest value? 6. So that the range is 6. Do you see that, people? Then they ask you to work out the interquartile range. Interquartile range. Which is going to be quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So quartile 3, this quartile 3 is going to be 10 minus 7, which gives you 3. Okay, you will understand? It's very simple, no? Let's carry on with our lives. Another example here, example 2, and this is on page 315. Not so. The question says, 14. How can it be 14 and this is 15? That's on the wrong page, are you? Who gave us the wrong page number? Who would like to do maths that? Why are you going to do maths that, Michael? What do you want to become? A maths teacher? No, man. Right. Yeah, maths teacher. Maths, you want to do maths, no? Right. We are told a box and whisker diagram. Draw a box and whisker diagram to illustrate the 5-number summary of the set of measurements in meters. So here's a 5-number summary. Minimum value is 3. Your lower quartile, quartile 1, also known as your 25th percentile, is 5. Your median is 7. Your upper quartile is Q3, which is 75th percentile is 10, and your maximum value is 30. So when we start with a scale. That's the first thing we draw. Okay? The minimum value is 3, so let's go with this is 3, so we're going 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So that would make sense. Not so. For those of you who need to do everything by formula and things like that, what you could do is your maximum minus your minimum, which is 10, and you can divide by 2s. Then you can see how many intervals you will have, or how many, what would be your your width of your increments. Okay. Can you see that? So let's go. This we can go with 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We normally try and get a number less than 3 and a number more than 50. Can you see that? You see, if I had gone with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then this would have been definitely too small. You all agree with that? You all understand, people? Right. So the scale is the first thing we do. Okay. Then, for your minimum value, your smallest value, okay, you know the represented with a dot. Okay, so plot a dot by 3 on your scale. Plot a dot by 3, then 3 would be approximately there. Not so, it's midway between 2 and 4. Not so. And then you make a dot by 13 as well. Okay? So there's 12, 14, so 13 is there in the middle. Not so. Make a habit of writing the numbers in here. Do we get penalized if we leave the numbers up? No. Do we get extra marks if we put the numbers in? No. Okay? But some of you draw very, your values are fairly off. Okay? So I would suggest you're writing the values so the examiner knows what you're doing. Or to show that you know what you're doing basically. Okay? Then for quartile 1, 2 and 3 we make strokes. So you make a stroke at 5 for quartile 1, 7 for quartile 2 and 10 for quartile 3. Do that for me again. Do the first one for me. So that is 4. 5, that is 5 then also. So put in the rest. Right, so stroke at 7, there's 7, stroke at 10. So what we do is we draw a box, followed by its whiskers. There's your box and whisker diagram. Easy, no? Too easy for your liking. Huh? So do it again. Leon? Your head is going in a circle. The first yes, and then no, and then around. Yes or no? You say don't do it. Okay. So you all okay with this, people? Yes, sir. Okay. Look at another example. Okay, we are in the box and whisker diagram. So let's see what they say here. Draw a vertical or horizontal axis using the convenience scale to cover the range of values. Draw a rectangle with its left and right edges at the lower and upper quartile of the distribution. That is 5 and 10. Okay, so they draw that first. Okay, what we do is we put 2 dots at the end and we draw our strokes for the quartiles, 1, 2 and 3. And we draw a box and all this. Okay, they start off with a box, Then they draw in the quartile 2, and then the whiskers, okay? And they ended off with the dots. We started with the dot. It's the same thing. Okay, this is the procedure of drawing. Right, so we're looking at the example 3. It's example 3, and this on page. Example 3 on page 315. Right, here we are told to find the 5-number summary of the set of dots. You all know how to do that? Yes, so do the 5-number summary quickly. The box and whisker diagram can be drawn on a vertical line or horizontal line. Eh? Doesn't matter. Then I should go one on a horizontal line to show you. Well, if I just use the previous example, that would simply be like that. There's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So 3 got the dot. 5 got the stroke, 7 got the stroke, no? Yeah. 10 got the stroke, and 13 got the dot. So there's your box, and there's yours. You see, this is your vertical line, the line standing up straight. This is your horizontal line, the line is going across. No? You'll see it is drawn most often on the horizontal line. Okay. But like I said, if you want to go vertical, you that kind of go, you go vertical. No? Right. So are those numbers in order? Yes. So it becomes easier, yes. So do your thing. Alright, so what's my lowest value? 1. My maximum value? 24. Quartile 2. So how many values are there? 14. So it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. It's 15 numbers. No, there's 15 numbers. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. So it's going to be the 8th number. There's one number. So it's 15. So what do I do with that number? Cross it out, correct? Which makes it 7 on the left hand side and 7 on the right hand side. So what do? I find the middle number of 7 numbers. 7 divided by 2? 3.5. So it's going to be the 4th number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not so? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so your level quartile is 8 and your upper quartile is 20. You all agree with that? You all understand? No? Then it says draw a box and whisker diagram to represent the 5-number summary. You all know how to do that? I'll give you a minute to sort it out. Quickly, no? You guys finished? Who's so busy? Okay. Another couple of seconds. Right, so let's go. Where do you start? If you're going to go here, you go, of course, a value less than 1 is 0. So you go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Definitely not enough. We're going to go 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Still not enough. So what I do is 3 would fit, no? Let's check. It's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. No? So let's go 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 20. Otherwise I could have extended it. I could have made a longer number line or scale. Do you guys understand? So if you had gone in 3s, no problem. If you got in 2s and it's long enough, no problem. Okay? But we always draw the graph or the diagram as big as possible. You guys understand? So let's go here. So 1 gets a dot, the lowest value. So there's 1, gets a dot. You understand now why we're putting these letters on the numbers on top? Why? So that we can see that you know more or less what you're talking about. At 24 gets a dot. That's 24, no? Then 15 gets a slope. So there's 16. So 1 less than that. So it's 15. It's a stroke. Quartile 1 is a stroke at 8. Quartile 3 gets a stroke at 20. There's a box. And there's my whiskers. Alright, you guys understand? Then you see it says what does the box and whisker tell us about the data? We can say that firstly 25% of the data is lying between or including 8 and 1. You remember quartiles is dividing the data into quarters, not so. 25% is lying on between 8 and 15 or including those values there. 25% there, 25%. Or you could have gone and said 50% of the data is less than 18 or 50% is more than. Or you could have said that 25% of the data is less than 8 and 75 is more than 8. You guys understand it? Okay. Let's read what they have said. They have said firstly, 1/4 or 25% of the data items lie, right? We spoke about that. 1/4 of the data is lying between, right? We said that upper quarter, no, 50%. Yeah, we mentioned that as well, and all of those things. Whatever they say here, we have mentioned it now. Okay. So any confusion at this point? Huh? No. So this exercise 13.7, I want you guys to do number 1 quickly. Okay, 13.7, number 1. Pause the video at this point. Right, this is the exercise 13.7. Page 3-1. Okay. So it says find the 5 number summary for the data items. So is this numbers in ascending order? Yes. Minimum value and the maximum value? So the minimum, so the first one, the minimum value is equal to the max 48. Find the lower and upper quarter. quartile 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 5, 6 number. 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So it's 14. It's quartile 2. Not so? So it's going to be, you cross that out because that's odd. So it's going to be 10 for quartile 1. Not so? Quartile 3 is going to be 28. The next one, list the 5 number summary. Another way that you can list it, instead of the way I did it, the 5 number summary will be listed. So it will be 4, then 10 is the lowest value, lower quartile. Then, what number is that? 14, then 28, then 48. That's another way of listing the 5 number summary. Okay? Then he says draw a box and whisker diagram. So let's start at the number less than. So let's go 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Wait a second. No? Okay, my values are not. Let's go again. So it's 3. Let's go in the units of 4. No? So 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 4, 11. 13. No. 15. 19. 23. 27. 31. Go too small. No? Go again. So if I start at 3, go 5. Add 5, we'll get 8. Add 5. 13. Add 5. 18. Add 5. 23. Add 5. 28. Add 5. Huh? 33. Add 5. 38. Add 5. 43. Add 5. Okay. Normally we have one beyond that as well. You okay? Right. So let's go. So there's going to be a dot at 4. Not so, it's just over 3. Okay? And then 48. Probably behind the calculator. But 48 is there. You all okay with that? Which units did you use for your scale? 4. Okay, but it's probably because of my space I have there. No? Also, I want to have it as big as possible. So the next one. At 14 it gets a stroke. So it's 13 is over 13. It's 14 for quartile 2. That's 8, 9, 10. Okay? And then 28. It's quartile 3. And then 48. We draw a box and there's our whiskers. Okay, and that is 28. Right, you guys understand? Or you could have started to scale at 0. Doesn't matter. Okay, if you're going with 4s, your first number would have been 4. So we have a number less than the lowest value and a unit more than the highest value. But if you don't, they won't be penalized. We are very understanding people. You'll never understand. No? We just want you to do well. But you guys don't want. No? Right. Bill, what does the box and whisker diagram tell you about the data? We spoke about this in the previous assignment. The quartiles divides the data up into quarters. Okay? So that's 75% more, 75%, all of that comes into play. 50% and so on. Okay? I think I cut this already. Let's see. Sometimes nope, we're not grade 11 yet. Maybe another 2 years, no? 2 or 3 years. know some of you want to do maths again next year, just to be sure you understand. Grade 10 maths. Right? People, how much time of this period do you have left? 20 minutes, no? So let's look at number 2. I'll give you a chance to do number 2, then I will answer the sums on the board, okay? I want you guys to answer number 2 quickly. Here the diagram is given. The box and whisker diagram is given. Can I pause the video at this point? Alright, just put the thing back. So at this point we'll be looking at example, number 2 out of exercise 3.7. We are told the 2 vertical box and whisker diagrams summarize the end of the year percentage for 2 grade 10 mathematics classes. Notice that neither the diagram shown on the number line of the learners in your classes, nor the individual scores, just the spread of marks, the end of year results for 2 grade 10 classes. Okay. First question, what is the median mark for class A and class B? So, the median mark for class A, as you can see, this is class A, so the median mark is 10, and for B is 10. Can you see that? Sorry? 80. Sorry, man. The numbers is fairly small. Sorry, my mistake, no? So 80. I'm thinking, okay, this is a. Okay, class B. Sorry. Let's look at B. What is the minimum mark for both classes? Class A, the maximum. Class A, 95, and B, 95%. C. Between which 2 marks do the upper 25% of class A's mark line? So we're looking at the upper. So in other words, they want you to give the 75th percentile. Not so? So that is the mark we're going to look at. So it's between is it not on that line? Okay, just have a look in the textbook because it's not so clear here. Page 316. So between which 2 marks? It's on 85. So what do they want the answer to be? you're referring to one set, between which two marks to the upper 25% of class A's mark line. So a particular class A. Okay, so what's the answer they're looking for?
75% and 95%.
Oh, I see, okay. They say between which two marks does the upper 25%? I'm looking at quartile 3, that's my mistake. This is what they're talking about. Oh, sorry. It's a start of right, between 85 to 90. There we go, that makes sense. So I couldn't understand what that type was. Number 2. Between which two of the marks to the upper 25% of class B line? So it's between, that's a 25%, between 90 and 95. Between 90 to 95%. You all agree with that? Then the question says, let's put this here. Then the question says, between which two marks does the lower 25% of class A line? Okay, so that's D1. Between which two? 30 and 60. Between 30% to 60%. And class B is going to be 60 to 70. Alright, you all agree with that? Alright. Would you say that class A did better or worse than class B? Which class did better? Class B did better. Why? Huh? Class A or B did better? B. Okay, why would you say that class B did better? Because yes, good start. Percentages are higher, but here we can clearly see that 25% of the data is lying between 30 and 60. And their lower quartile value, or the 25% of the lower set, starts at 60 to 70. Can you see that, people? So definitely class B is doing much better. Okay? Right. So for homework, I would like you guys to do number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you guys are going to complete that exercise. Okay. 3, 4, and 5. Oh, there's no 5, 3 and 4. No. 3 and 4, no? Don't come tomorrow and say there was no 5, so you couldn't do the homework. It's 3 and 4, okay. I want you guys to write this note here. We mentioned the semi-interquartile range before, not so? Okay, so the semi-interquartile range is 1/2 of the distance between the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So the semi-interquartile range is the interquartile range divided by 2. Difference between upper and lower quartile divided by 2. And so on. Okay. Salam, are you? Yes? Sorry? Yeah, sorry. Okay. Oh, if you want, you can throw this the box in whisker as well. Just to give you an idea what is being calculated, because sometimes you're just calculating things and you don't know what you do. That's why when it comes to the interpreting questions and then the interpretation questions, and then we mess up. Okay. People enjoy the rest of your day. Please complete that note for homework. We'll read through it tomorrow, okay? And we'll make sense of it and do some calculations pertaining to it. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class.